Hello student, welcome back. This is your moral revision class of the unit exam syllabus. So I am going to discuss lesson first of the moral science again. In this video I will discuss the word meaning, question answer and exercise of the lesson first. So let's start now. What the meaning of omnipresent? Omnipresent means present everywhere at the same time, known as omnipresent. Reverence. Reverence means deep respect. Intensely. Intensely means extremely. Pastries. Pastries is a type of sweet dish with cream, jam and fruit filling. Magazines. Magazines are type of books. A periodical publication contain articles. Irritated. Irritated means annoyed or angry. Slammed. Slammed means shut forcefully and loudly. Aroma. Aroma means a pleasant smell. And disheartened means to lose determination or confidence. So now I am going to discuss the question answer. In unit exam, question answer will be asked solve types of the question answer. So here question first is given: who appeared in the old woman's dream and what did he promise? The God appeared in the old woman's dream and promised to visit her next day. What preparation did the old woman do to welcome God? The old woman cleaned her home and arranged whatever she had furniture. Then she started preparing the delicious pastry for the God. Why was old woman irritated to see the salesman? The old woman irritated to see the salesman because she was waiting for important visitors. God. Why did the little girl come to the old woman's house? The little girl had come to the old woman's house because aroma. Aroma means sweet smell of the pastry coming from the old woman's kitchen. Did God visit the old woman's house? If yes, then how? Yes, God visited the old woman's house in the form of salesman and the neighbor's little girl. So, I am going to discuss the true or false statement. Rewrite the false statement correctly. The old woman thought about God only when she was in trouble. This is false because old woman thought about the God whole day. The old woman prepared the delicious pastry for God. Yes, this is true. The old woman was happy to see the salesman at her door because she was expecting him. No, this is false because old woman was irritated to see the salesman at the door because she was waiting the important visitor God. Next, God visited the old woman's house in the form of salesman and the neighbor's child, but the woman could not recognize him. This is true. We should respect all because God is present everywhere and in everything. This is also true. We should respect all because God is present everywhere and in everything. So I am going to discuss the choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option and complete the sentence. The old woman was very happy when she woke up the next morning because option A is given. God had promised to visit her the next day. She had learned a new recipe of the pasty which she would make for the breakfast. This is false. And God had promised to visit her the next day. This is true. The old woman had slammed the door at the salesman because she already had many magazines at home and he was trying to sell more. She was waiting for God and instead the salesman had come. First statement is wrong and second is true. She was waiting for God and instead the salesman had come. Next. The neighbor's little girl had come to the old woman's house because the sweet aroma of the pastry from the old woman's kitchen had drawn her. This is true. She wanted to help the old woman in the preparing the pastry for God. This is false. So first statement is correct. After waiting the whole day, the old woman felt actually crying and wondered why God did not keep his promise. Feeling guilty that she had mistreated the salesman and the little girl. So first statement is correct and wondered why God did not keep his promise. That day God visited the old woman twice a day. But both the time she failed to recognize him. She recognized him and welcomed him the salesman and Never's little girl. This false and this true. Both time she failed to recognize him. So what we learn from this lesson? God is everywhere and God is in everything. Thank you class. Thanks for watching this video.